Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing two latest smartphones, the Oppo Find X9 Pro and vivo X300 Pro. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both two mobiles come with an IP68 rating. Next, compare display features. Both two phones come with 6.78 inches LTPO AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Hardware features. Both two phones are powered by the MediaTek chipset. Let's compare the camera features. They offer 3 rear cameras and also a 50 megapixel front camera. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. Both two phones include 5G connectivity stereo speakers, Bluetooth 6 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.